Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultrabright Lights, and today I'm going to give you an overview of the Color Flood Mini. The Color Flood Mini is a part of our Color Flood series, which are warning lights and off-road lights all in one. This one is the Mini, and it features a white center spotlight with two flashing sides. These flashing sides are available in amber, blue, red, or red and blue, as you see here. You can illuminate the center to be a steady burning white, which is controlled by the white wire. And you can control the outside flashing with 14 different flash patterns. Simply connect the red to positive, the black to ground, and use the yellow wire by tapping it to positive for about 1 second to change the flash pattern. Syncing these is very easy. Simply set them both to the same flash pattern. Steady burning is probably going to be the easiest one, so you can clearly identify that it's on steady burn. This one's set to steady. Let me repeat the process over here. Now that they're both set to steady, simply connect your yellow wires together and tap them both to power to change the flash pattern. Now you can see the lights are flashing in sync. Mounting brackets is also very easy with the included bracket. This bracket mounts in the back and swivels to allow you to mount the light in virtually any direction. It's a stud mount and includes a bolt with a nut and locking washer to easily mount it, so you can mount this to your push bumper, your headache rack, or virtually anywhere else. These lights are a total of 2400 lumens each, and they're sold in pairs, which again, they can be synced together. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.